Hey everybody, I'm Lauri Stricker and I want to show you a great little combo you can do on your chair at home. We're going to start with the upside down push-up. Okay, if you want to use anything for grips, you can always use shelf liners, so I'll be using this today for the hands and the feet. Start parallel with your springs up high, or at least in the medium and high setting. And then press the pedal down to the floor. Place your opposite foot on. Bring your feet into Pilates feet and your hands out so they're beneath your shoulders. Take an inhale to get ready here. On your exhale, rise up. Inhale, lowering down, opening springs, and exhale, coming up. Keeping your heels really high, pressing the balls of your feet into your paddle the whole time. Wrapping your legs together, just like footwork. Inhale, lift up. You can also do it an inhale up, exhale down. Now on the next one, let's go up high. Keep your shoulders over your hands and bend your knees and press. Bend. And inhale, press. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And one more. And exhale. And then lower the pedal to the floor. Parallel your feet. Hang your hips back. Come down to your forearms and run your feet. A little bit of stretch to the back of the legs, for your side body. Let's add a nice gentle twist to this. So, the right leg is straight, heels reaching down. Reach your arm out like you're going to shake hands with someone, and then rainbow up to the sky and around and reach. You're pressing the back of your head. A really nice stretch here. Feel long in your spine, engaging your core, strong legs, and then sweep your arm back up and around and back to the mat. Let's take the other side. Bend your right knee, drop down through your left heel, and then like you're shaking hands, left arm forward, sweep it up, rainbow it up, wrap it around your hip, get a little twist here. Keep your waist long, keep your spine nice and straight, or engage. Sweep your arm back up and around, reach for the chair, back to center, and hands back onto the mat, and step your feet out. That was your upside down push-up with the frog and the stretch. Thanks for watching. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel so you can receive more of it. Thanks for watching.